Listening is the foundation of reading. Using these bags, children will notice small differences in sounds. They will then begin to hear the differences in letter sounds when learning to read. Shake and rustle the bags. Each bag has a different sound. Can your child distinguish what the different sounds could be? Can you put the bags in order? Are some louder? Are some quieter? Do some jingle? What could the sounds be? You can explore a range of activities. Can you put 2 items into one bag and guess which both items are? Could you also find other things around the house to put in your bags? Do some of these things make a similar sound? Collect your own objects. What kind of sounds do they make?